Hi everyone. Recently I had an opportunity to undergo a coaching session TTMT by coach Ashish, Mr. Ashish Pandey. Truly I do not have any word to describe what a great session it was. Uh, yes, so much of information, so much of new concepts that has been given to us, and the kind of transformation after the program that I have experienced, it is enormous. The promise which has been made, I think we all have got more than that. I mean, at least 50% more than that as far as the commitment was concerned. So I would strongly recommend those who are getting interest in memory science, they can blindly enroll in this particular program, or they should enroll in this particular program. It's absolutely value for money. Whatever money that we have paid, it is it is quite less if I consider the amount of value that we have received. After 1 month, I'm feeling very empowered. Now I know how to run a memory science business, memory science session, and kudos to you, Coach Ashish. Thank you.